Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will continue the string function in SQL. Okay, I have already uploaded the first part. If you have not watched yet, I'll copy the link into the description box. Okay, you can watch it. And if I am missing any string function, you can comment down into the comment section so that we can learn together. Okay, so first function is replace function. And also, after explaining the theory, I'll jump to the compiler, SQL compiler, and there we will run this syntax so that we can practically learn this syntax. Okay. So the first function is replace function. So what replace function does is it replace all the occurrence of a substring within a string. If you see the syntax, okay. So the syntax is select replace hello world. That means world SQL. What it will does is it will replace world, okay, in a hello world syntax, okay, hello world string, okay, to SQL. Fine. So first one we will write here is like the total sentence you could say, or total word you could say. Then we will write what we want to replace, right? And the in last we will write like the value, okay, the character or the word we want to replace. So the output here will be hello world. I hope this is fine, right? If you have not understood yet, we will jump to the SQL server. Let's wait for a few minutes. So next is write function. So what write does it extract a specific number of character from the right side of a string, right? So if you write, syntax is select write hello world comma 5. What it will does is it will extract the total 5 character from the right end. Okay, so if we see here, world has 5 character, right? So the output will be world here because it will start from the right hand side. Then next is left function. Similar to the right. Okay, left is opposite of right? So it extract the specific number of character from the left end of this string, right? So what left function it does is, so syntax is select syntax hello world comma 5. That means we want to extract 5 character from the left hand side, right? So the output will be hello because hello has the length of hello is 5. I have already discussed length in a previous video. You can watch it. Next is instead, right? INSTR. I don't know how to pronounce, so pardon. So what it does is it returns the position of first occurrence of a substring in a string, right? First occurrence. So the syntax is select INSTR, okay, hello world world. That means it will search for world in a hello world, right? And it will return the first occurrence of this. So the output is 7 because why? Because normally it starts from left hand side. So hello has 5 character, right? And one is a space between O and W. So total is 6 and world W is starting from here. So the output is 7. But actually this function INSTR function only works in a MySQL and Oracle. So you can try it out if you are working, if you use MySQL or Oracle. Okay, and let me know some other command which is we can use in MySQL or Oracle. Next is format function, right? So format function, what does it? It formats a string or a number in a specific way. That means like if you want two decimal number after decimal place, okay, 2 digit after decimal, so we can use like this. So select format. The I have taken the number is 12345.6789 comma n2. What n2 does it? It format the number with 2 decimal places only. Okay, so the output is 12345.67. okay, here 89 is vanished, right? I hope this helps. If you have any other like if you have idea about any other format function, so you can read it, and same whatever you will learn, please comment down into the comment section so that other person also can learn. Okay, next is char index function. Okay, so this is similar to the what we just explained, what I just explained is INSTR function. Okay, but it is work in SQL server. So what does it find the position of a substring into a string, right? So the syntax is char index world hello world. So it will search world word into the hello world syntax, right? So the give the occurrence, right, at the position, what position, so the position is 7. Okay, now let's see all the string function with proper example, right? So first one we have is replace function. Okay, so what we are doing is we are replacing word world to SQL, right? So the output should be hello SQL. Let's run and see. See, fine. The world output is hello SQL. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now run the second one. Second one is write. Okay. So the output it should be world because it will extract 5 character from the right hand side. Okay, uh, because we want 5 character from right side. So the world should be the output. So world is the output, right? Next one is left function. So the output should be hello because we are extracting 5 character from the left hand. So the answer is hello. Okay. Next is format function. So what it will do is it will output will be 0.67. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5.67. Let's run and see. Incorrect function. Okay, sorry, actually I have to update this. Okay, so the output is C, right? Because actually this is 6 7, it's rounding off, right? Next is CHARINDEX function. So it will return the index. Index is 7 actually, so the answer is 7. Okay, I hope this is fine. Still, if I am missing any string function, you can comment those string function into the comment section. Definitely it will help many people, even me, you and everyone around the globe. Okay, so thank you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe button and share among your friends. We will meet soon. Thank you. Till then, bye bye. Take care.